So we are out driving the canyon. We've put on about, I don't know, 10, 15 miles on this thing. So one thing I want to look at is this value right here, number one, and also the voltage right here is what we're going to look at as well. Let me turn my stereo down just a little bit because, you know, I like to party. So guys, this tank pressure, I'd have to go back and look at my data log on this, but I believe this tank pressure was kind of fixed. Like I couldn't get it to actually do anything. So now I'm actually getting a full like 1 volt all the way up to 1.25 pretty easily. I'm getting really clean signal. I ended up finding a wire that was like bare wire, and it looked like it had a little bit of corrosion. Matter of fact, I have the wire sitting right here beside me. I might actually take a picture of that here after a while. But what was kind of cool about that is, you know, I fixed that, and then I turned around, started the truck. As we've seen before, started the truck, drove the truck, right? Normally, it has been set in this code about 6 miles in. It will set a code. It'll set the p0446. We got a brand new vent valve on there because that was obviously bad. Verified, 100% confirmed bad. And also, we had many wiring issues with this truck. I bet I've rewired on this specific truck. I bet I've rewired 4 or 5 things. So I truly believe that when they put a PCM in this truck, right, I believe that they were trying to find all these problems that I've been finding. I started on a different diagnosis today with this truck, and this one's actually going to be pretty good diagnosis. It's really fast. I literally found out why this thing is trimming fuel real weird like it is. I figured it out. So, God, Jesus Christ, they got a lot of freaking trucks here. Shit. But, we'll dive into that one a little bit more. I'm not really too real worried about it right now. We're mostly just looking at the sensors of what we got going on with the sensoring on this, and the vent valve solenoid. That's pretty much what we were going to be looking at. That's what this whole video series is about, these 3 parts that we're going to be having on this vent valve issue. So as you see, my voltage is rising and my millimeters of mercury is going down. That is awesome. I think before I couldn't get this thing down to below like 5, and I couldn't get the tank pressure sensor, which is this one. I could not get that down, or I couldn't get that to read any more than like 0.8, no matter what the hell I did. So I believe that's what we got going on. Man, everybody's got their bikes out today. It's beautiful out here. This Nebraska day is just absolutely beautiful. So I believe we're going to call this one fixed. This issue fixed, I believe. Oh man, I got a nice AC in this truck now. Holy cow, man, I'm spoiled. Spoiled, I tell you. This truck's totally ready for ice cream now. Did you see that? 1.31. Ooh, I like that. Loving these numbers, man. Let's go back and look at something else real quick. This will be pretty easy to do. Let's just go read DTCs. Man, that gets me every time. None found. I believe it would have set a code by now. So I believe that we are in the right direction, and we are doing great. Loving it. Loving the data now. And we found out why this thing is running lean. I did figure this out. Just a little update. You know, this is me kind of rambling on. I did find out why it is doing the whole leaning out. I figured this out, and it was honestly something that was so easy to diagnose. So, man, I think I got like rocks or something in my beard, man. I keep feeling it. Ugh, it's gross. Oh, we're venting. Yeah. We're doing awesome. Awesome. Loving it. Now we are getting somewhere. Let's read this again. That's what I'm talking about. I like when it says that. Alrighty, guys. So I think we're going to close this one out. I'm going to kind of keep an eye on it, and maybe part 4 or whatever, or if I do a part 4, or if I pursue this anymore, then I will make a video of it. If not, then just consider it fixed. Consider it a done deal. Loving it, guys. Loving it. I am now pulling back in at my my little Sean's freaking Smith family salvage yard. I got a beautiful picture of all the trucks this morning. It was awesome. I had all of them sitting there. It's just like 3 like polished shit trucks, you know. It was so funny. But yeah, I believe we're good to go. I'm gonna turn this AC off because it's getting cold in here, man. Oh my god. What the hell is that? Okay. Let's check DTCs one more time. I think we'll be good. Perfect. Heck yeah. Alrighty, y'all. Consider this one a fix. We are done. Alright. You guys have a good day.